In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep the toolbar from disappearing on Zoom. We've all been there during a meeting when you need to quickly mute yourself or turn off your camera, but the Zoom toolbar has vanished. It can be quite frustrating, but thankfully, there is a simple solution to make sure it stays visible throughout your entire meeting. So let's walk through the steps to keep those controls in sight. First things first, you need to open your Zoom application. If you're on a computer, look for either the Zoom icon on your desktop or find it in your list of programs. For those using mobile devices, tap on the Zoom app icon to get started. Once Zoom is open and you're logged in, this will bring up your main Zoom interface. Make sure you're on the home screen where you can see options like New Meeting and Join. Now we'll head over to the settings, which you can find by looking for the gear icon. It's usually located in the top right corner of the Zoom window. Give it a click and you'll be taken to the Settings menu. The Settings menu is where you can adjust various preferences to enhance your Zoom experience, from audio to video and beyond. Next, we're going to direct our attention to the Meetings and Webinars section. This is where all the options related to your meeting environment are stored. In this section, you'll be able to customize how your meetings are displayed and function, making it a critical area for ensuring everything runs smoothly during your calls. Once you're in the Meetings and Webinars section, scroll down until you find the Controls tab. This is an important part of our setup. Here, you will see an option labeled Keep Meeting Controls Visible. This is the key option to prevent your toolbar from disappearing during a call. By default, it's usually unchecked, which is why your toolbar keeps vanishing. Simply click to tick this checkbox and your settings will be saved automatically. And there you have it. Your Zoom toolbar will now remain visible throughout your meetings, allowing you continuous, easy access to all those vital controls. This small change can make a big difference in your Zoom meetings, ensuring you have seamless control and can focus on the conversation without interruption. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keeping the toolbar visible will enable a smoother and more efficient meeting experience, allowing you to concentrate on the important aspects of your call rather than fumbling for hidden controls. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching and happy Zooming.